my gosh. Oh my god.
In the fury of nature, the floodwaters acted like a massive monster, sweeping cars away from a dealership in New Jersey.
That's so much. That's so many cars.
An astonishing moment in North Carolina. Nature is always unpredictable. Be prepared to protect yourself and your most valuable possessions.
Nelly, come here.
The storm winds in France seem to challenge massive sand dunes, blowing them away in a frantic dance. Flash floods on the Tinau River in Nepal weakened the foundation of a bridge, and in an instant, everyone was left in shock. Flash floods forced pedestrians to stop and take shelter in a cave. A sudden hydrothermal explosion forced the closure of Yellowstone National Park, creating a terrifying scene.
Let me go first so I can make this up stable. Walk right where I'm walking.
Tourists witnessed the eruption of Fagradalsfjall as magma from the Earth's core burst forth, creating an impressive spectacle. The floodwaters roared like a bursting fury, sweeping everything in their path. The torrential rain in southwestern France turned into fury when a Mini Cooper was swept away by floodwaters like a leaf in a storm.
Is literally just a lake now.
Whoa!
Oh god. Oh no.
Right as we're leaving.
Amid rushing waters, hikers in Zion National Park managed to reach a safe spot, and they'll likely remember that day for a long time.
They're deep. Oh, they're gonna be stuck over there for a little while.
The Muthirapuja River in Kerala was swept by heavy rainfall as vehicles hurried across the bridge before the waters rose high enough to submerge it. Bridge in Scotland's Highlands. Can you imagine the immense power of nature?
Here we go, folks. I'm back again on the old bridge in Carbridge.
Come on, let's go, it's getting worse.
From a calm flow to a powerful display, nature transforms after a storm.
That is cool right there.
The referee didn't just control the game, but became a hero, rescuing a Little League player trapped in a dust storm.
Oh my god, I got that on video, the power line.
Pessoal, essa aqui é a nossa situação. Vejam, essa é a ponte que nos daria José Júlio em São Valentim.
Oh my God, look at that, man. Oh, wow, wow.
Floodwaters from Typhoon Aki surged, sweeping away the famous waterfall in Kortalam, creating a magnificent yet unpredictable scene. A World War II plane made an emergency landing.
So crazy.
Oh, look, it's in the tree.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks to the rescue team in Valencia, who bravely saved the woman and her pet during the devastating flood. Amid the harsh weather of the Great Lakes, snow covered the road, presenting a challenge every driver must face.
Holy oh, holy
A fierce fire burned nearly 5 hectares at the Twiggeries, a quiet park in Warrington, showing the immense power of nature. On April 16th, a bus in Shreveport exploded, when its fuel tank ruptured. Thankfully, no one was injured. A wildfire spread in South Carolina, threatening peaceful homes and showcasing. The fierce hailstorm in North Texas left residents stunned by the destruction it caused. A moment that showcases the strength of nature and the importance of preparation. Massive hailstones attacked El Reno, Oklahoma. People were shocked by the storm's colossal stones. The hailstorm in Red Deer left vehicles on the road unrecognizable. A truly unexpected natural moment. A wildfire broke out along a freeway in Newark, New Jersey. The strong winds and dry conditions pushed the flames to spread. On April 16th. The black smoke from tire fires and the residents of Naples, Italy, received emergency evacuation notices when a chemical plant fire erupted, creating a dangerous situation. Hail and tornadoes in St. Louis created a fascinating natural spectacle, a reminder of the surprises nature can bring. A wildfire broke out in North Carolina, prompting an immediate emergency declaration. A family in Mar del Plata, Argentina, was stunned when massive hailstones joined their barbecue party. Nature sometimes interacts with our lives in very unexpected ways.
This is bananas. Swear.
Oh my god. What the
A driver captured a view from the middle of a tornado while driving through the California Valley. And luckily, he was safe.
Can't see anything here. It's getting completely blasted with mud.
Look, I see. Do you see it, Brittany? Yes.
The tornado cut off power to the entire city of Fort Lauderdale after colliding with power lines.
It's really close to us. Look at the rain. I got it. Oh, it's on our little waterway.
Where?
Oh, now it's going to cross the bridge.
Oh, it might just, and there's a car on the bridge.
Oh no.
A rare fire tornado formed over Lake Canada, surprising everyone in the area. Strong winds at Burning Man created a fire tornado, a unique and impressive sight at the festival. Oh wow. Nature sent a warning to New York City about its boundless power. A reminder to always monitor weather alerts and be ready to face natural disasters. Hailstones pelted the waters of Lake Powell, as if nature were playing with the water. A magical moment, but also a reminder of nature's strength and unpredictability.
A major storm just blew up out of nowhere. Look how quickly the yard's turning white from the...
Strong winds and hail in Charleston, South Carolina, caused power outages for thousands. An unexpected sight.
The yard's turning white.
Mudslides swept everything away in Northern California, leaving devastation after a heavy downpour.
Coming down here at Trabuco Canyon Road.
Mud poured down Trabuco Canyon during a heavy rain, turning the Southern California landscape into a chaotic sight. A large storm in West Arkansas caused giant hailstones to slam into windows. A surprising sight indeed. Giant hailstones fell on Lake Ouachita, making Crystal Springs look like it was covered in a strange snow blanket, making the homeowner exclaim, "It's a real skylight."
They never got inside of Charlie's house.
The storm hit Midland, Texas, creating a strange, hazy scene as dust flew everywhere. After the hailstorm, North Carolina was treated to a double rainbow, a colorful feast in the sky. Tennis ball-sized hail fell on Minnesota's lakes, serving as a warning of nature's power. A tree branch snapped during a fierce storm in Tennessee, as if nature were cleaning up its garden. Mudslides crippled the town of San Bernardino County. A funnel cloud near Indianapolis sent debris flying when a tornado warning was issued. a warning from nature.
Oh my gosh.
A strong tornado ripped up South Texas highways, lifting everything into the air in a chaotic scene. Dogs safely escaped the floodwaters thanks to the brave rescue team. Powerful mudslide could not be stopped, clearly demonstrating nature's immense strength. Strong winds knocked over trees in Melbourne, turning everything chaotic. Heavy rain and hail caused power outages for over 2,500 homes on the Gold Coast, a warning about nature's strength. With small stones covering everything. An Australian diver captured a moment when thousands of giant spider crabs gathered, performing a magnificent dance beneath the ocean. The sky turned pink with lightning as the storm approached Kansas, like a light show in the sky.
No!
Heavy rains flooded streets in eastern Argentina, trapping vehicles in water. The stunning sunrise of the year, with powerful rays cutting through thick fog. Strong winds blew debris around in Alabama, like nature was cleaning the yard. A tornado swept through northwest Dallas, reminding us of the unpredictable nature of extreme weather. Oh my gosh! Chairs flew like toys in the air, creating a strange spectacle of nature. Waves crashed onto the shore, engulfing the city in chaos and shaking everything around. Heavy rain hit Amarillo, causing the water levels to rise and flood the streets and fields quickly. Strong winds can disrupt everything, from small objects to large structures. Mud flooded a village in Peru after heavy rains, disrupting traffic and daily life in the area. Bubbling volcanic mud appeared in a local town as Mount Etna erupted, creating a strange natural phenomenon. Oh my gosh. Heavy rain in Glacier National Park closed a 5-mile stretch of road. Strong winds in North Dakota blew dust and debris toward vehicles, as if nature were hosting a dust-throwing contest. A fun conversation at the Boston Aquarium had everyone laughing uncontrollably. A herd of wild horses crossed a river in Argentina, creating a peaceful moment in nature. How do you feel when you hear this sound? Share your emotions in the comments below. Northern Oman was covered in a special color, like nature's fury. Strong winds turned a trampoline into a giant disc in Idaho's sky. Large hailstones fell in suburban Mexico, with water gushing from drains, creating a powerful flow. Residents of Great Falls, Montana, were amazed when a large tree was knocked down by strong winds, creating a powerful sight. Nature seemed to be hosting the strongest wind contest as winds blew fiercely. Dark storm clouds rolled over Massachusetts, covering the sky like a dark, ominous cloth. Massive hailstones shattered car windows in Keller, Texas, making us realize nature's immense power. A tornado swept across the fields of North Texas, a warning of nature's force. Hail in Glendale, Arizona, made trash cans roll down the streets as if nature were hosting a trash can race. Wow! Floods swept cars down the streets of Madrid like toys in the water. Rain and strong winds caused power outages and water disruptions in Louisiana's coastal areas, warning us of nature's strength. A fierce storm in Kenner, Louisiana, caused transformers to explode, creating a loud and surprising explosion. Lava erupted near an Iceland town, creating a majestic dance between earth and sky. Lava bubbles broke apart during the Kilauea eruption, creating a breathtaking sight. Molten lava from the Grindavik volcano flowed like a fiery river, surging powerfully. Water sprayed from drains as flash floods attacked Toronto, as if nature was hosting a fierce water splashing contest. A double rainbow appeared in the suburbs of Denver, like a hopeful painting from nature. The storm in Waco caused large hail, creating an impressive sight. The aurora danced in the sky, observed from the International Space Station in a beautiful moment. Mount Kanlaan erupted forcefully, forcing locals to A strip of dark clouds covered Conway, South Carolina, like a dark cloak hiding the sky. Golf ball-sized hail shocked Australians with nature's force. NASA's stunning light show in Alaska's sky left a lasting impression. Oh my gosh. Breathtaking aurora danced across Alberta's sky, like a mystical performance of the universe. Severe flooding hit Buenos Aires after a powerful storm, forcing hundreds to evacuate.